Chirping of the birds, the pollution problem recurred, pitter patter of rain, breaking of wood chain.
Rustling of leaves, increasing grieves, the ripples and ripples of water, everyone losing the nature forever. The bang and crack of storm, the earth is dying, it's confirmed.
Nature is a beautiful composition of God, which He has gifted us as a precious gift in the form of blessing.
Come and be the part of a community dedicated to the preservation of planet. As we celebrate Green Day with great enthusiasm and passion.
When you welcome love with your whole heart, soul and body, love will welcome you with all its sweetness.
With this wonderful thought, we would like to welcome all the honorable members of Vyapari Sangh, respected members of Akshay Patra Samiti, dignified members of Manthan Vichar Manch,
Renowned pillars of democracy, esteemed media persons, eminent Good Morning Club, intellectual citizen of Mandleshwar town.
on the behalf of Shri Kavatara Public High Secondary School, Mandleshwar.
It's an honor to be here today as an anchor for this event. We are very happy to say that our school has planted 20,000 plants since last 15 years. Every year we plant 2,000 trees.
A very happy Green Day to everyone present over here. This is a festival of greenery celebrated every year on the occasion of Haryali Amavasya.
जैसा कि हम सभी को विदित है कि हरियाली अमावस्या श्रावण माह के कृष्ण पक्ष में मनाई जाती है। इस दिन हम सब पीपल के वृक्ष की पूजा करते हैं।
The Shravan begins the monsoon, which leads to the earth getting covered with luscious greenery. We celebrate this day to take care of the environment.
Due to this reason, we, the Kavartarites, and all of us gathered here are celebrating Green Day by organizing rally, distributing plants, and by performing Nakkar Natak.
Earth is our home and we must keep it clean and green. So, on the occasion of Green Day, let us promise to make it a better place to live.
It is quoted that we do not inherit this earth from our ancestors, we have borrowed it from our children.
From the ancient Vedic religion, Hindus hold a great reverence towards nature and believe trees as the origin of life. In Puranas, trees have a conscience and are living beings.
प्रण करो उन मंजिलों के कांटे हम हटाएंगे, प्रण करो उन मंजिलों के कांटे हम हटाएंगे, अपने ग्रीन डे पर उसमें नए फूल हम लगाएंगे।
हो सकेगा तो खुद को इतना हम मजबूत बनाएंगे कि पहले की तरह ही प्रकृति में जीना फिर से हम अपनाएंगे।
Now, I would like to invite Ms. Mitali Patidar to deliver an awareness speech that will undoubtedly leave a lasting impression on all of us.
You cannot change the wind, but you can set your sails. A very grateful morning to all. I am Mitali Patidar. Welcome you all on the behalf of Shri Kavatara Public Higher Secondary School, Mandleshwar, and wish you a happy Green Day. We celebrate this day to show our love and care for Mother Earth. Green denotes fertility, prosperity, greenery, and beautiful nature. Taking care of environment is our responsibility, as it gives us everything: air to breathe, beautiful phenomena to watch, nature to enjoy, and it does not ask for anything in return, but it is a responsibility to keep it healthy always. You probably are mean if you do not go green. Small actions, big changes. Every day is a World Environment Day. Green environment enables sustainable development, and some movements have been made in this concern. The Chipko Movement 1973, the EPICO Movement 1983, and Kyoto Protocol, an international treaty with the aim of stabilization of greenhouse gases. Thank you, and east to west, going green is the best.